I'm going to do this one pretty quickly because it's asking you to do such a small thing here on level 9. So level 9 is having you check to see who is winning, but all they want you to do is find out where the player is and log it to the console. So you're going to go where the check win player is. Okay, and you're going to create a variable called player Y, which is done up here. So I'm actually just going to copy this from the move player and paste it because that's smarter. And then all I'm doing is using this console.log, and I'm going to get rid of the quotation marks and put the player Y value in there. I just want to see where the player is when it hits the bottom to make my decision about what I'm going to consider them winning. So if I run it right now, and click play, what I'm going to see down here in the console when I'm moving it is their location as they're moving down the screen. And I'm just going to move one of them because I want to get an idea of what I'm going to consider like the finish line or winning. So this is about 360, 370. It's up to you. Anything above 350 is going to be a good consideration for win. That's all you need to do on this level.